see a bit quicker than these ones here. Sorry about that, I'll probably just mobile. Cool. And let's try to tackle this. There we go, a bit more quicker than last time. The box. So we have this packet. He didn't play very long, Dennis Rodman. Too bad he wasn't at his peak. Could have won a championship with the Lakers. Unfortunately, he didn't last very long there. Also, the seal, you also notice there's Upper Deck stamping on the packet as well. So let's see what I get out of these packs this time. Okay, I got a Kobe base, a 225. Oh, here we go. Got a Pat Riley coaches, which is pretty nice. 12/25. Got a George Gervin signature, which is a pretty nice card. Unique card. Was the patch to colour was looked like his number from his card. Probably not number, probably the lettering. Which is pretty nice, pretty old fashioned, it's pretty grubby. Looks good. I got a Corey Brewer, which is nice, out of 225, and I got a what's it, Alcindor Law, 22/25, which is nice.